Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to run Python code in Google Colab. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the best way to do this is to open up Google Colab and sign into your account. Then from here, you want to go ahead and just basically open a new notebook in Drive. Now, once we've done that, a new .ipynb file opens automatically. Now this is where you run your Python code here. So to run Python code, we can simply put in something simple like this: hello Google Colab, and then click run. Or you can hit shift and enter, then the output appears directly below the cell. So just give that a moment to load. Now if we want to go ahead and add more code cells, we can go ahead and click code plus code or control M and B. At the same time, that's going to give you another line of code here, or another line where you can start coding. We can install Python libraries if you like. So Colab already has many libraries installed, but you can add more. So we can go ahead and add more by putting in this line of code here, hit run. Now that little exclamation mark tells Colab to run a system command. Now if you want to go ahead and upload files, we can. So you just go ahead and click on plus code. And then we want to add this line of code here. So from google.colab import files, hit run again, and then it's going to give you the option to choose files to upload. Now, if you want to go ahead and save your work, Colab, like many other similar things to Colab, it's going to go ahead and automatically save your stuff to Google Drive. But if you're not satisfied with that, we can go ahead and save your work by clicking on File, click on Save, or Save and Pin Revision, or save a copy in Drive. We can save a copy as GitHub gist, or save a copy in GitHub. Now some helpful tips. So Colab runs on free cloud CPUs, GPUs, and also sessions reset after inactivity, and all files are temporary unless saved to Drive.